My name is Barry Vculek. The name of our farm is 4-Star Ag. We're located in southeastern North Dakota. Our main crop is Spanish yellow onions, particularly. There's not a lot of onion growers in this area. In fact, there are none other than me. We grow them from seed and we irrigate them all and we harvest and we store them all winter long and we pack even through the spring and into early summer. So it's about a 14-month ordeal from planting until they're all shipped out. So what we're doing today is we're in the field lifting with 2 lifters right now. We like the narrower tires, particularly in lifting, because a lot of times the leaves are laying across the rows. And with our wider tires, we were driving over some onion tops. They don't mature properly, they don't dry properly if you drive over them like that. The ideas we got from NTS and the new rubber we got from them worked out very well for us. I'd certainly recommend them. They have a truck station locally here, and service was quick, and we were able to trade in some existing items we had, tires and rims, and it worked really good. So we're very happy with it.